guys, I'm Yanni, and I'm going to show you how to make a fruit smoothie for before or after your workout. Let's go. Alright, so first, you'll need like a banana, some frozen fruit of your choosing, and today I'm going to make a strawberry and banana smoothie. And so let's get started. Right now I have a cup of the strawberries and bananas smoothie, or frozen fruit in here. And then I'm going to peel fresh banana so that it's fresh. And we're going to put as much as we could fit of this banana into the smoothie. So it's the whole banana. Now we're gonna add the Greek yogurt. And then add a cup of your favorite juice. Right now I have tropical punch right here. And there you go. Put your blade on and now you're ready to blend. You know, you can shake it up a little bit, you know, and then Alright, it's finished blending. If you find that yours is too thick, you can add more juice. Yeah. That's a good drink. This is a straw. Hey guys, we're gonna make another smoothie. This is the wild berry and banana smoothie. It has banana, we're gonna peel this banana, and then they have strawberries and blueberries. Okay? Yeah. So we're gonna put this banana in there. Then we're gonna add yogurt. And then we're gonna add a cup of tropical punch. Bang. Put your lid on and you blend it. Alright, and when your smoothie's finished, it's ready to go and you're ready to drink. Yeah. There it is. Look at that masterpiece. Masterpiece. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.